Okay, so I wanted to tell you a little bit about why I put this Wok Star kit bundle together. Was really the difficulty of finding this particular cast iron wok in America, and also all the obstacles when people first started who wanted to learn how to do wok cooking. I was afraid that they would buy the wrong wok and also season it incorrectly. And it was also finding all the right brands of ingredients so that they would have a good experience. The four elements to a successful stir fry: you need the right wok, high heat, good ingredients, and the right technique. So when you have all these four elements in place, then you will be successful. And that is why I put this kit together. So you will have success at your first attempt, because I've come across so many people who've said to me, I had this wok and I never got round to seasoning it because every time I looked at it, I thought, oh no, I have to season it. But I've actually seasoned it for you so that you can just go home and have fun right away instead of spending time seasoning it, because it's actually time consuming and it's a very smelly project. So this kit will consist of everything that you see here, which is the lightweight, thin-walled, round-bottom cast iron wok with the two handles, so it keeps it very light, and the wok mitts with the magnet on it, so it keeps it on the handle. So when you pick it up, you don't get scorched. The spatula, I've actually sourced this all the way from Thailand because the ones in China, they're very clunky because they're really only interested in serving the restaurant chefs. So they're huge. And you really need one for home style cooking. And this spatula has a wonderful curved edge to it so that it goes into the curve of your wok. And it's also got scooped edges so that you can actually scoop out liquid. And it's also got a lovely teak wood handle, so when you put it down, it ends on the wood, so when you pick it up, it's not hot in your hand. Because most spatulas in America are straight across because they're not used in a wok. So it's very important to have all the right tools. And then the lid for the steam frying that we do. And also I use it for when I'm steaming, because you know the pan is a universal pan for cooking everything, not just for Asian cooking. You can use it for other ethnic dishes, but you can also use it for searing your meat when you're doing a stew. You can make it soups in it, you can stew in it, braise in it. Have I missed anything? Steam in it. All sorts of things. So whatever you can do in a flat pan, this can do it 10 times better, because the shape and the wide opening of your wok will prevent your food from falling out onto your countertop and onto your stove. Okay, and this is an Iwatani 12,000 BTU stove, and as you saw, the little gas refill in it will last you nearly 2 hours. And because a stir fry doesn't take very long, it lasts you a lot of different meals. You know, you can make a lot of different meals with it. And it has a sturdy stainless steel casing so that, and it comes with a little briefcase so you can carry it around and you can take it camping, boating, designs. So you can pick your own design for it. And the caddy comes with these 3 seasonings. So the kunchung, hoisin, and the brown bean sauce, and the sanjay tamari to get you started. And do you remember the dried mushrooms that we had with the bok choy? So this is from Earthy Delights. And we have this set up all the time on our stove. Because when you keep putting it away, you won't use it. So we leave it out so it's convenient and practical. With all these, you have the 4 elements, which is the right wok, the right heat, good technique, and good brands of ingredients. And my whole goal has always been to help people succeed with wok cooking. and that's why I put this kit together.